Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on notifications for nearby devices. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So let's head straight into it. Now you're going to navigate to the top panel where you're going to find quick settings. Under quick settings, go to all settings and navigate down to system. When you're at system, click enter and scroll down until you find devices. So click on this, and this is the option to toggle on or off. So you could toggle this off and you will not receive any notification when devices are nearby. But if you leave it turned on, when your TV automatically it will notify you if it sees any compatible device that are nearby and available to pair. So toggle this on and off depending on your needs. If you want to see devices that are beside you, compatible and available to pair, turn it on. And if you find that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn us on